Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the watermark on Pictory AI. If you want to use this software, this Pictory AI, just click the link in the description below. So first off, you just need to sign in with your account on Pictory AI. And then here, if you're going to download a video from here, you will find the watermark from this application. So what we're going to do here to basically remove the watermark. First up, go to profile icon and then go to my subscription. So here, all you need to do is you just have to upgrade to a paid plan in order to remove the watermark. So here, as you can see, I'm using a free trial, but you can basically select any of the subscription plan that you want to use. Either you want starter pack, a professional plan, teams, or enterprise. So the watermark is usually present in the free version of Pictory AI, but upgrading to a paid plan will remove the watermark automatically from your videos. So that is the best way on how you can remove the watermark. Now the second one here is by manually remove the watermark. So if you're dealing with a video that already has a watermark and upgrading is not an option, you can try to manually remove the watermark using other video editing software like the Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or any other video editor with masking features. So keep in mind that this might affect the video quality or may not be completely effective. Now, if the watermark is still present after upgrading to a paid plan, all you need to do here is go to help or help center, or you just need to contact the Pictory AI support to resolve the issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to use this Pictory AI, just click the link in the description below. So just like and subscribe to this channel and see you on the next video.